So that's the distinction. There's one little trick between relating pH and pOH. So pOH, of course, would be the minus log 10 of hydroxide ion. And I think one other thing to mention here is that this is a log base 10. Virtually everywhere in chemistry, we use natural logarithms because that's sort of a fundamental part of physical laws, the exponent, that you're doing exponents with respect to the natural log base e. However, pH was just put in place for people to remember things. It's an entirely human created thing. And so, yeah, we lose log 10. It's the pH is the power of the hydronium ion. So that's the one place you do have to remember to use log 10. Okay, so a little trick relating pH and pOH that's useful if you want to convert back and forth between them. So the pH is minus log 10 of the hydronium concentration. And so let's do a little math here. So we have that H3O plus times the hydronium concentration times the hydroxide concentration, assuming we're at 25 degrees C, 10 to the minus 14. Let's take the log minus the log base 10 of both sides of this. Well, you get minus log base 10 of H3O plus times OH minus, but then also note that the minus log base 10 of 1.0 times 10 to the minus 14 is just going to be 14. Now, if we have the log of two things multiplied together, that's just the sum of the logs. So this would be minus log base 10 of H3O plus minus log base 10 of OH minus. These are concentrations in molar. Well, this is just the pH, and this is just the pOH. Is equal to 14. So you could, if you have the pH and the pOH, you can go back and forth between the others because you know they have to sum to 14. Why? Because that's minus log base 10 of Kw. This is the known Kw. Okay, so that's a little trick you can use when you're converting back and forth between pH and pOH. So in this case, it might be easier to actually write it as a power, and you get that this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 4 molar. And so the concentration OH minus is going to be that. And then to get the pOH, we take the minus log 10 of 1.0 times 10 to the minus 4. And that gives us a 4, and that's our pOH. That's a weird 4. That's our pOH. So the pH is going to be 14 minus 4 equals 10.